If you're a truck driver hitting the road, you'll often spend long hours behind the wheel, covering thousands of miles and delivering goods to various destinations. But when you're not driving, how do you spend your downtime? Here are some fun things to do during your downtime while on the road. Number 1. Making art. Some truck drivers have creative hobbies like painting, drawing, or photography. You can use your downtime to explore new places and capture the beauty of the world around you. Why not bring a sketchbook with you or a camera to capture the amazing sights you come across on your travels? Number 2. Playing music. If you like music, maybe you have some musical talents and enjoy playing instruments like the guitar or harmonica. A lot of us sing along to our favorite songs and even to those guilty pleasure songs when there's no one around. Why not channel your inner Springsteen while you're at it? Music connects people and also connects you with your inner self. Number 3. Cooking. Food is great, and if you enjoy cooking, you may be interested in making your own meal instead of stopping by at a diner or getting fast food. By using portable grills or cooktops to make food, you know exactly what you're eating, and this can be a much healthier alternative. Have your ingredients ready and pop on that recipe video you saved. Put on your favorite podcast or playlist and you have yourself a party for one. Being a truck driver is a demanding job and you spend a lot of time out there on the road. Whether it's through art, music or cooking, there are many fun things to do to relax and enjoy your journey.